Day 8 p.m. feed. Our starter has risen pretty well, but it's still a little sluggish, so we're going to try feeding it at a 1 to 2 to 2 ratio rather than the 1 to 1 to 1 we've been feeding it. I'm going to put 8 grams of starter into my measuring cup, separate that out, save my discard, and putting it into the bowl that I keep in the freezer, and then I use that at the end of the week-ish. I'm using a clean jar, again, just so I don't have any growth on the side of my jar while I'm trying to grow my starter. Putting the 8 grams into that jar there, tearing it, adding 16 grams of water, and 16 grams of our flour mix. If you're running low, add a little bit of all-purpose flour. Tomorrow we can mix down a new flour ratio. Okay, stir that up really well. We're going to look for this to rise a little bit better than we've been getting. We have some bubbles and activity. The flour is getting eaten. You know, it's looking good, but it just needs a little bit more rise so we can build a bread. So stir it until there's no dry flour left. Use a wet finger to scrape your dough off. I said dough, but it's starter. And then we're going to cover that with a lid, a loose fitting lid, and store it out of direct sunlight. It's overnight, so you don't have to worry about the sun. The end. See you tomorrow.